Are you tired of weight loss supplements that promise the world but leave you feeling uneasy or jittery? Today, we're uncovering the truth about a natural formula called SlimLeaf, what it really does in your body, its side effects, and how to use it safely for lasting weight management. Many people overlook how concentrated botanical extracts impact your metabolism. SlimLeaf combines powerful ingredients like African mango seed extract, green tea extract, and L-Theanine to support fat burning, appetite control, and energy balance, but your body's reaction depends on your unique tolerance and dose. Let's talk about what happens when you start taking SlimLeaf. Your stomach might feel a bit unsettled at first because it's adjusting to new fibers and heat-producing compounds. This is normal and usually fades within days. The formula works by gently nudging your metabolism and hormonal pathways, like insulin and thyroid hormones, causing temporary shifts in energy, temperature, or hunger signals. You might feel slightly warmer or more awake. That's your body adapting, not a bad reaction. However, it's crucial to understand that your liver and kidneys are working overtime to process these plant compounds. If you have existing health issues or take medications, the effects can be stronger, leading to symptoms like headaches or mild nausea. That's why starting with a small dose alongside a healthy meal is key. Hydrating well helps too, since the fiber can slow digestion if you're dehydrated. African mango seed extract is the star ingredient here. It's well studied for its role in reducing hunger and supporting fat loss. Clinical trials show it's safe with only mild headaches or gas reported initially. Green tea extract adds antioxidant power but can irritate an empty stomach, so never take it on an empty belly. L-Theanine helps calm any jitters and supports focus without drowsiness, balancing the blend perfectly. How do you avoid side effects? Start slow with half a dose for a week, drink plenty of water, take it with meals rich in healthy fats, and avoid other stimulants like coffee or energy drinks. Keep a symptom diary to track how you feel. Also, take breaks every 8 weeks to let your body reset. Compared to synthetic diet pills or high-caffeine fat burners, SlimLeaf offers a gentler approach with fewer risks like heart strain or mood swings. It doesn't block fat absorption either, so no messy digestive issues here. But who should avoid SlimLeaf? Pregnant or nursing women, people under 18, those with serious liver or kidney problems, or anyone on certain prescription meds without doctor approval. Remember, supplements support your efforts, they're not magic bullets. Combine SlimLeaf with clean eating, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management for the best results. Regular medical checkups and being in tune with your body will keep you safe on this journey. Choose quality brands that follow strict manufacturing standards and provide lab testing certificates. Don't settle for cheap products that might harm you. Weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, awareness, and smart habits, SlimLeaf might be the natural boost you need for healthy, sustainable results.